Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the coolest DIY toys. P. Using just cardboard and glue. Let's see what I can come up with. P. You know, I love getting creative and making something out of nothing. Let's face it, toys can be super expensive. A bunch of plastic junk. First up, we've got a cardboard robot that's perfect for kids who love sci-fi. Simply cut out the robot's body and arms, then glue the tubes together. Add some markers or paint for details. And you've got a robot that's out of this world. Next, we've got a cardboard marble run that's perfect for kids who love racing. All you need is some cardboard, tape, and a few marbles. Cut out the tracks and ramps, then tape them together to create a winding course. Kids will love watching their marbles zoom through the run. DIY projects are a great way to encourage creativity and imagination. One of the coolest things about DIY is that you can add interactive features. But I think the most impressive hack of all is this cardboard automaton that moves on its own. It's made using a combination of cardboard, glue, and a bit of string. So there you have it, a bunch of amazing DIY toy hacks. Who knew that simple materials could lead to so much fun? So I want to encourage you to try these hacks at home and see what you can come up with.